1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the basic digits that we use in creating greater or bigger numbers, and these numbers are read based on its place value. Hello students, in this video we shall learn how to write and read figures based on Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration in the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. So let's get started. Basically, let us brush up on the place value, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And we should also know which is the smallest and the greatest number based on its place value. So let's start with a familiar way of reading figures in words, and that is Indian system of numeration. So here's an example under Indian system of numeration where we have the following steps. Use comma suitably. There are 3 commas used in Indian system. It starts from right. Okay, so basically from the right hand side we will count 3 digits. Okay, that is 935, and after 5 we will add the first comma which represents 100, the second comma after 2 digits representing 1000, and the third comma after 2 digits representing lakhs. So basically from the right hand side we have the first comma comes after 3 digits representing 100, the second comma comes after 2 digits representing 1000, and the third comma comes after 2 digits again representing lakhs, which will look as following. So remember, whenever you write a number, you need to mark the comma first. Then after marking the comma, you need to place the place value of the given number. So basically we have got ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore, which is read as 5 crore 46 lakh 34,539, which is given as following. This is how we enter, and please note you need to put the comma. Let's go for another example under the same exercise. So here's another exercise under the same system of numeration. So basically we have 7, 8, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 5, where we will place the place value as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore, and that is read as 7 crore 83 lakhs 43,465. This is how we will solve under Indian system of numeration. Let's check the steps under International system of numeration. Here's an example: 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, and the steps under this system is as follow. So here also we need to use the comma suitably, and please note there are only 2 commas used in international system that starts from the right hand side. So basically counting 3 digits, please note both the commas will come after 3 digits. So first comma will come after 2 marking 100, and the second comma will come after 4 marking again 100. So noting from the right hand side, the first comma comes after 3 digits representing 100. Similarly, the second comma also comes after 3 digits representing 100, and it looks as follows: 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5. And it is written as following. Basically first we will enter the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and again 100. Please note that. And last, million. That is in case of international system of numeration. This number is read as following, that is 3,456,235. This is how we read in international system of numeration. Let's take another example, which is as following: 23,400,005, where the place unit of the following is as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100 million and again 10 million, and it is read as 23,405,000. So dear students, in this video we have learnt how to read figures using Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Thank you.